What's up, ladies and gents? Let me show you what the guys are up to. Check this out. This thing is going to the junkyard. So they are gonna chop it up, chop all this junk, and we're gonna take it to the scrapyard. All this frame is no good. It's not worth fixing anything, honestly. It's just rotten everywhere. Yeah. It was only good to keep the engine out of it, that's it. Bell bracket, 3/8 thick, mounts on frame inside or outside, doesn't matter. If it's inside, you don't have to the fuel tank brackets. So grab one on the website builtbywolfcustomtrucks.com. Looks like a mess. Big mess. It's a lot of work. It's not just a couple hours worth, you know. Check out this guy. Let's go check out the Kenworth. What are you doing?
Cheese, sir.
Swiss cheese? Okay. I like it. Did you do the other side? No? Yeah? You did?
That's it.
It's done. Who does that kind of shit? Wow, that's 12 gauge. Anyways. I'm gonna blow this out right now. Put the shocks. and those stupid ABS modules. And we can call the guy to come pick up his trash, because this thing is trash, honestly. It's just a Kenworth, you know. The Canadian guys will come up, pick up this truck. Finally time to go home. Look at this guy. What am I paying you for, guy? Go to work. What are you laughing about? Look at this guy. Okay, he's not getting paid today. This has the 5-inch drop axle that we're gonna part out, I think. This is chopped up, but the head rack is all junk. It's kind of thinky to pull this frame horns, pull the front section, cut in the back with where the factory hangers are, and get all blasted, get all powder coated, and do a little build like a stand, so I can mock up all my air rides and stuff. So, because I want to come up with a kit that's gonna be 379 specific with the lace spring hangers in place, the factory ones, and we're gonna do like something with the springs. Not sure why yet, but we'll figure something out. But yeah, this thing, man, this thing is tragic. All this shit needs to be cut out. You know? That frame is not good. That frame is, I don't know, it's bad. Guys are hard workers. So out of this truck, nothing is usable, to be honest. The frame is all trash, torn out. The only thing we can save is the rear ends, because they're 308s. That's about it. So this truck was good only for the rear ends, transmission, and the engine. Guys cut in the head rack with the oxy torch, or acetylene torch, whatever you want to call it. How fast it is. Yeah, boy. Huh? That's what I'm talking about. This is a rough mock-up on the kit for the W900. I don't love it, but that's what the guy paid for, so that's what he's getting. These are 389 springs with the offset shackles. Time has come. Let's park this somewhere else. Enough work for the day. All right, that's it for this one.